Question 15 reads, which of the following expressions is equivalent to minus 4x cubed to the power of 2 over 3? Well, this question is all about exponents and your exponent laws, so make sure you've reviewed them. So if I rewrite this, minus 4x cubed to the power of 2 over 3, my immediate reaction would be to almost expand this, right? And make each term have their 2 over 3. And what I mean by that is if I can rewrite this as minus 4 to the power of 2 over 3 and x cubed to the power of 2 over 3. What I did is I took the terms in these parentheses and each individually gave them the exponent, because this whole thing is to the power of 2 over 3. And so it works out, right? And so the first section becomes, well, minus 4 to the power of 2 over 3. That becomes the cube root of minus 4 the whole squared. Okay, and just make sure you know that rule. If I, for instance, have 2 to the power of a over b, then that's going to be 2a to the power of a, the b root, if that makes sense. Okay, and so have this rule written down if you didn't know already. Okay, so that's how we got the cube root of minus 4 the whole squared. And this section is going to be, well, x cubed. When we have a term with an exponent like x cubed to the power of another exponent, then with those exponents can multiply. So these exponents can multiply, and so it becomes our exponent here becomes 6 over 3. Okay, and that's another rule that you need to know for exponents. And so I could simplify this further. It becomes the cube root of minus 4 squared, the whole squared is 16, right? Into x, 6 over 3 can be simplified to x squared. Okay, is this the simplest this expression can be? No, it is not. This guy right here can be simplified even further. And if I bring it over here, let's say, or let's bring it over here. Well, the cube root of 16, I can rewrite 16 with its factors instead. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? 2 to the power of 4 actually is 16 as well. And you can always do this. You can because it's the same meaning. This and this are the same thing, right? This 2 to the power of 4 is actually, it makes sense now. If I go back 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? There are 3 2's. Okay, at least 3 2's, and so it can be cube rooted, if that is even a word, right? And so what the cube root of 16 is really 2 into, or it's gonna be this, right? And so that is the equivalent form of the cube root of 16, and so I can bring that over here. So again, 2 into cube root of 2 into x squared. I can bring up together, right? And so it becomes, final solution should be 2x squared into, all these answer choices have the into sign as a dot, so I'll put a dot as well, the cube root of 2. So the answer choice that matches up with this is C.